we got coordinates 0, -1 down here and 4, 1 here, and then we're interested in finding the equation of the line PQ. So I'm going to draw that line like so. It will extend further in both directions, but I'm just really going to focus on the part that, you know, with useful information. All right. Now, to work out the equation of this line, we need to use y equals mx plus c. We get c for free, actually, because they've already told us it's 0, -1, so I don't need to do anything else. I can just simply write down that c is -1. I will need to find the gradient, however. So here I'm going from 0 to 4, so that means the run is 4, and I'm going from -1 to 1. So -1 up to 1 is going to be 2. And that means the gradient is going to be rise over run. It's going to be 2 divided by 4, which I can simplify to 1/2. And I'm done. Y equals 1/2 x minus 1. That's the equation of the line PQ. P and Q are two vertices of the rectangle PQRS. Find the equation of line QR. PQRS. All right, this seems, it could be, so we know it's a rectangle, so it's either going to be going up here, or it would be going down here. I just realized actually this is quite a tough question. PQ, so either this is R or this is R, but actually it doesn't matter because it'll be the same line. What this question is testing us on is perpendicular lines, because here we've got a right angle. So the gradients, when you have the gradient of a line and suddenly you want to know the gradient of the perpendicular line, well, it turns out that when you multiply them, you get -1. Okay, I'm not going to go proving that right now. I'm just going to state it. So it's going to be 1/2 times something is -1, and that means the line is going to be m. The gradient is going to be -2, because -2 times 1/2 is -1. What I've essentially done is I've flipped it. I've done 1 over 1/2, which is 2, and then I put that negative in there. All right. So that means I've got y equals mx plus c again. It's going to be y equals -2x plus c. I just need my value of c now. And to do this, I can use the coordinate. I know I've got this line, so this is the line I'm interested in. I've found out the gradient. I've got one point that I know on it. Okay, I don't actually know where R is. It doesn't actually matter. Like, I've only, you know, the rectangle could be coming up here. Again, it doesn't matter. But I need to use this coordinate for 1. So when x equals 4, y equals 1, and I can substitute that in. 1 is going to equal -2 times 4, which is -8 plus c, and therefore c is going to equal 9. And I'm done. Good. Y is equal to -2x plus 9.